Hello and welcome to Hot Money Technicals on Bloomberg Quint Live, India's first digital live streaming business news service. This is a show which gets you a complete wrap of all the stocks that are buzzing in trade. I'm Darshan Mehta. Let's welcome our experts then, Dhaneshwar Padwal of KIFS Securities, along with technical analyst and mentor N.S. Vidai, and Raja Venkatraman of Chart Advice join me on the show. Okay, that's the view that's coming in on Spark, positional call that's coming in, and the third chart that we have is Raja and a chart on RATNAMANI metals. I don't think we've covered this counter. If I'm not wrong, it's trading at a 52-week high, 1,150 currently. Why this chart?
Yeah, if you take a look at this chart, I have used the weekly chart here first, and you can see here that the stock went into a period of consolidation over the last 6 months. And then what I've used is a tool called as Bollinger Band, which indicates an expansion in volatility. You can see here that the prices are tagging the upper end of the band, which is a signal of some bullish momentum in play. And the other factor to note was on I have used two momentum indices here, panels. You can see here the middle panel is the RSI, where RSI never was able to cross the 70 for quite a long time.
Yeah.
And what has happened is over the last 2 weeks, it has managed to cross the 70, which is indication of a strong momentum in play. Further, there is a third momentum indicator which I have used. Let me just pull that up for you. You can see here the ADX DMI is also very strongly, resolutely indicating that the bulls are very much in play, and that's what is taking the stock higher even on a negative day like today. The stock is witnessing some strong buying interest. So there's also a daily chart which also added. It's there online. Yeah. So you can see here the daily chart. The daily chart says that prices were moving in the lower end of the channel. I use a tool called as a pitchfork, and what has happened is after it has moved up towards the end of December, price has managed to hold on. And right now what has happened is price has reached at the upper end of the channel. Overall structure of the charts remain bullish. One could use to buy at current levels, use dips towards, I had mentioned 1030 in the morning. You can use a dip towards 1080, which is the next set of support levels, and aim for a target of 1285.
1285, what's the time frame approximately?
In the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay, thanks so much for that. 1285 is the level. Okay, and the last chart from our guest this time around is a chart by Raja, and it's on KPR Mills. It's a stock that we've never covered before, as was RATNAMANI Metals. But what makes you bullish on the counter?
So this is a weekly chart which we have considered. You can see here that right now, after forming a base, it's made a double bottom here, and the double bottom breakout which occurred in somewhere in the month of October, it has managed to sustain these prices for a while. And right now, even considering the bullish candles which are being displayed, it indicates that the bulls are willing to hold on to this valuation area around 650. So it becomes a good point of support where the prices are consolidating and moving higher. So it's becoming the next base. So it's actually having a base. It's creating a new base right now. And if you take a look at the momentum indicator, which on the lower panel, you will see here that RSI is slowly and steadily inching higher. And here too, RSI has crossed above 70 mark, which is indicating more bullishness stepping into the counter. So all this price as well as the momentum in combination suggests that we could be looking at higher levels in the coming weeks.
Okay, well, buy at this level and buy on dips, is that the strategy?
Yes, buy at level, buy on dips towards that level of 650. You could see in the price, and place a stop loss below 625 for an upside towards 740, 775.
Okay, thanks so much for that, Raja.